Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is BAE Systems Falcon works advances in strike drone as UK Armed Forces test system across land and maritime operations. The Royal Navy and British Army have tested a domestically produced one-way effector uncrewed air system for use in maritime and land operations for the first time. The Nyan OWE, designed and built by BAE Systems Callan Lens, is a small uncrewed aircraft with a 2.9-meter wingspan and is designed to provide a precision strike capability. The system was launched earlier this month from the Royal Navy's experimentation ship 15 Patrick Blackett off the south coast of England during exercise Neptune Reach. The exercise involved the Royal Navy, British Army and Royal Air Force working together under Project Vantage, a program focused on accelerating the test and evaluation of maritime attack drones. In May, the British Army tested Nyan during exercise Spring Storm in Estonia as part of the UK's deep fire capability in support of NATO allies. The latest trials extended that work into the maritime environment, testing how the aircraft could be operated from a moving naval platform. Luke Pollard MP, Minister for Defence Readiness and Industry, said, "Britain is serious about the transition to a hybrid navy with new, powerful drones at the heart of the Royal Navy. By bringing together Army and Navy expertise to field strike drones from a ship at sea, we are accelerating the capabilities our forces need to stay ahead of our adversaries." The most recent trials used a launcher system fitted to the ship's deck and capable of launching Nyan OWE drones at up to 55 meters a second. The Royal Navy Capability Team and the Air and Space Warfare Centre are now analysing the results, with the potential for further trials aboard HMS Queen Elizabeth. BAE Systems Callan Lens has produced more than 1,000 Nyan units, and the aircraft is already operationally proven on land. Matt Foster, CEO of BAE Systems Callan Lens, said, "Nyan is already operationally proven on land, with more than 1,000 units produced. Now it has successfully demonstrated its ability to add real value in a maritime environment too." These trials reflect strong collaboration across the services and industry, highlighting the pace at which we can deliver innovation to advance the UK's integrated, multi-domain defence capability. The trials form part of BAE Systems' expanding portfolio of uncrewed air systems being produced through Falcon Works, the company's advanced research and technology hub. The role of BAE Systems and Falcon Works places the company's uncrewed and autonomous systems work at the centre of efforts to provide affordable combat mass alongside current and future frontline platforms. Lieutenant Commander David Burton, Maritime One-Way Effectors Capability Sponsor, Royal Navy, said, "This trial makes a significant step forward in delivering maritime one-way effectors at pace. Under Project Vantage we are planning to integrate these capabilities into the hybrid navy, combining crewed platforms with uncrewed systems to expand reach, increase tempo and enhance lethality." Working closely with our Army colleagues, this activity demonstrates how we are accelerating Atlantic strike concepts into practical, deployable capabilities of the fleet. BAE Systems said the work builds on more than 25 years of experience in uncrewed and autonomous systems. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.